welcome back to our channel, that is Billu's Academy. So I hope you have watched my previous video. In that I have explained how do we solve quadratic equation by completing the square method. Now in today's class what I am going to teach is, let us try solving the problems in my based upon my previous video. So the first question here is 2x square minus 7x plus 3 is equal to 0. Means I need to solve this quadratic equation by completing the square method. So in order to solve this, what is my first step? My first step is check whether the given quadratic equation is quadratic in nature. Now the general form of the quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Right? Now in this, what is A? A is 2, B is minus 7 and C is plus 3 is equal to 0. Now from this general form I can tell the given equation is quadratic equation. So I have finished my first step. Now let me move on to the next step. Next step is try reducing the coefficient of x square. Means the coefficient of x square to unity or 1. Carefully observe here. The coefficient of x square here is 2, right? Now I should make this to 1, that is unity. So in order to do that, what should I do? I must divide this entire equation by number 2. Let me do it here. So the equation is 2x square minus 7x plus 3 is equal to 0. Now I must reduce the coefficient of x square to unity. So in order to do that, what I will do is I will divide this entire equation by 2. So what will this equation become? This equation will reduce to x square minus 7 by 2x plus 3 by 2 is equal to 0. So with this we have completed 2 steps. With this we have completed 2 steps. I repeat, my first step is check whether the equation is quadratic in nature. My second step is making the coefficient of x square to unity or 1. Now let me move further with the third step. So what is my third step? Third step is moving this constant term towards the right hand side of equal to sign. So which is constant here? Constant is 3 by 2, right? So let me shift this 3 by 2 towards the right hand side. Same problem I have explained while explaining the concept. So it is very easy for you in order to understand this problem. Let me do it quickly. So this is x square minus 7 by 2x is equal to this plus 3 by 2. If I shift towards the right hand side, this will become minus 3 by 2. So I am shifting this constant term, that is this constant term, towards the right hand side. So with this I have completed 3 steps. First step is checking whether the equation is quadratic in nature. Second step is I will make the coefficient of x square to unity. My third step is moving the coefficient to right hand side of the equation. Now what is my fourth step? Before going to this step, I will mark this step as very important because many students will make a mistake in this step. That is the fourth step, next step. So what is the next step? Here you should focus on the coefficient of x, not on the coefficient of x square. I repeat, focus on the coefficient of x. So what is the coefficient of x here? 7 by 2. So just you should make the half of this coefficient. Means this coefficient you should divide this by 2. So if I divide this coefficient by 2, what will I get? I will get 7 by 4. Now actually this is one step, but I will break this into 2 steps. This is, one is first observing the coefficient of x, making the coefficient half, that is dividing this coefficient by 2, you will get 7 by 4. After getting 7 by 4, square this. Square this number. After squaring this, add and subtract it over here. So I think you are very familiar with basic concept, right? What is plus 1 and minus 1? Plus 1 and minus 1 is 0, right? Similarly, if I add this and subtract this, I will get back the previous step. Let me do it here. That is x square. What is the answer? This is 7 by 4 whole square. I will write this as it is, 7 by 2x, then plus 7 by 4 whole square minus 7 by 4 whole square is equal to minus 3 by 2. Please be careful. This is a very important step in the quadratic equation by completing the square method. I repeat this. First observe the coefficient of x. Make a half of that. You will get 7 by 4. Square that coefficient. That is whatever you have got. After squaring this, add and subtract it over here. Because if I cancel this, I will get back the previous step. Is it fine? Now after this, what is my next step? My next step is making a complete square. Making a complete square. What is the meaning of complete square here? Making this in the form of a plus b whole square or a minus b whole square. Carefully observe the terms here. A square, then plus b square minus 2 into a into b. Many students will make mistake or they will take time to judge whether I must convert this into a plus b or a minus b. So it is very simple. Just observe the sign before the coefficient of x. If it is minus, then it is a minus b whole square, and if it is plus, it is a plus b whole square. So just close your eyes with this observation and write down here, that is a minus b whole square. What am I left out with? This is a square plus b square minus 2 into a into b. So this is a minus b whole square. I am left out with this term, that is minus 7 by 4 whole square is equal to minus 3 by 2. So with this we have completed the fifth step, that is making this equation into complete square form. If I have plus sign, write this in the form of a plus b whole square. If I have minus sign, write this in the form of a minus b whole square. Now just simplify this. How can I simplify this? Shift this term towards the right hand side. I will do it here. So this is x minus 7 by 4 whole square is equal to this minus 7 by 4 whole square. It will shift towards the right hand side. It will become plus 7 by 4 whole square. So this is minus 3 by 2 plus 7 by 4 whole square. I hope you are enjoying, right? So let me move on further simplification. So this is minus 3 by 2. What is 7 square? 7 square is 49 and 4 square is 16. Let me further simplify. So this is x minus 7 by 4 whole square is equal to, take the LCM here. What is the LCM of 2 and 16? Yes, it is 16, right? Write down 16 here. And I will take the LCM, multiply 16 over here. So this is 2 ones are, 2 eights are, 8 into 3 is minus 24, 16 ones are, 16 ones are, 1 into 49 is plus 49. Now here 49 minus 24 is 25. So this is 25 by 16. Now my last step, I am very near to the solution. What is my last step? Last step is taking the square root on both the sides in order to get the values of x. So I write it down here. X minus 7 by 4 whole square is equal to 25 by 16. If I take the square root on both the sides, this square and square root will get cancelled. This 25 will convert into plus or minus 5, and this 16 will be converted into plus or minus 4. So this will be reduced to x minus 7 by 4 is equal to plus or minus 5 by 4. This simplification, I think you can do it yourself. So just shift this 7 by 4 toward the right hand side and get the value of x. So this is x is equal to plus or minus 5 by 4 plus 7 by 4. Now I will get two values of x here. Why? Because I have plus sign minus. Two values of x in the sense I have two roots of quadratic equation for the given question. Fine? Plus or minus means I have two roots of quadratic equation for this question. Fine? So I will do it here. So this is x is equal to, one time it is plus 5 by 4 plus 7 by 4. So if I simplify this, this is LCM is 4 and this is 12. So this is nothing but 3. Similarly, if I take x is equal to one time minus 5 by 4 plus 7 by 4, I will take the LCM as 4. 7 minus 5 is 2. 2 ones are 2 twos are. So these are the two answers, or these are the two roots of the given question, that is quadratic equation. Is it simple, right? Fine. Thank you, students. Please do like and subscribe my channel. And in my next videos, I will explain the concept of solving a quadratic equation by formula method. That is very interesting. Please follow my channel in order to learn more knowledge. Thank you, class.